Okay, try your expandable tracks. Haha! Look at that. HT20 Pro. Well guys, there it is. The mini excavator from China. Still in the crate. We're going to do an unboxing. Let's see what this baby looks like. Take that off. That there. So quick look at it. Nice. We're gonna get these crates off it. That's what we're gonna do. So guys, this is the Hytop HT20 Pro. So we'll talk about it a little more when I get the crate off. This is the roof. Ha! Look at that. Coming to life. Hightop. Okay, what do we got going on here? Gotta be careful here. Look at that, you. There she be. Oh, that stuff is strong, huh? I'm not sure what that is for, but we'll figure it out. These are for the blade. They go on either side of the blade and make the blade wider. There's my rake. It looks pretty well built, for sure. I'll beef it up if I have to. I'm a welder by trade. My bucket that I ordered. Just a flat bucket. Could be a little beefier. We'll put some stiffeners on it if we have to. Some wear plates. Magnetic, is it? Keys are in there. So we got half the box off, guys. HT20 Pro. Got the expandable tracks. 2-speed motors on the tracks. Got the seal drives in the back. See that? Nice covered hoses. I like that. The turret's got grease on it. I'll get the hood open here, the engine compartment open here in a bit. So I bought this from Alibaba. Actually, I bought it from Hytop. I went on their website and they give me a quote, and I got it DDP, they call it, delivered to your door. Not sure if that's what DDP stands for, but so hopefully it's going to pan out for us and everything's going to be fine. We'll get her going shortly here. Logan has landed. My son Logan. So we're going to do a little more unveiling here shortly. Hopefully fire it up. Kubota, that's for the engine. Manual. Grease gun. Bag of grease. Tong Yang Lai. Tong Long Lai Jai. Grease. Yeah. Some spanners, a clip wrench. Some wrenches. Grease fittings. That's pretty good. Little miniature grease gun. Not sure what's in there. I'm not open that up. Air filter. Something. Hydraulic. Yeah, it could be a hydraulic for in the tank. I see there's hydraulic oil in it. Just got to make sure there's motor oil in it before we fire it up. That takes a key. Open that up. Wow. I'll make sure there's some oil in it before we fire it up. We don't want to fry the engine right off the hop. Yeah, oil in it? Yeah. Got oil in there. Hydraulics got oil in it. It comes with fluids, and I believe they start it up before it leaves the plant. So, okay, close that cover back down. Maybe need the key to do that. Okay, it's got a seat belt. Where does this go? It must be locked or something, is it? Is there a lock there? Yeah, right there on the side. See it right there? I'm going to say pull it up. Oh, there we go. This is kind of cheesy, but it is what it is. Get up on her there, bud. Turn the key. You must have glow plugs. See if there's any power in it. I think you have. How do you turn the glow plugs on? So I think you turn them backwards. Yeah. Not sure if that sounds like the battery's dead or low or... Yeah. We're gonna fire it up, hopefully. First time in Nova Scotia. Yeah, lift up your... yeah, because I don't know if it'll start with that. Give her a crank, see what happens. Warm her up a little more. Warm the glow plugs a little more. Yeah. When she's stubborn like that, you know, she's... Okay. Gotta warm up a little bit. Gotta warm up a little bit.
The idle at it.
The idle? Right here. Oh, that's the idle. Fired right up, guys. That's pretty good. It was minus 21 here last night. Plus it hasn't been ran for 3 months since it got shipped. Ooh. Not much for fuel. Don't want to run her out, but you're gonna be able to use that trailer? Well, I can't get it on that trailer I have. That's too small. This is longer than the trailer. No, she fired right up. Perfect. Crush that with the thumb. It's only idling. Whoop. I'm not sure what does what there. You'll have to figure that out. That's the blade, I think. Yeah. Get this off of here. That ain't going on right now. Well, guys, there you have it. HT20 Pro. I'm really impressed with how she fired right up. Kubota 902 Kubota engine. And if you Google the horsepower, it can range anywhere from 18 to 24. So a little confused there, but sounds nice. I love the sound of that diesel. That's fine. Get her, back her up, love. Get her off. Give her a little more fuel. These four I wanted to show what them are. There's the buckets, canopy. I think the swing boom, you gotta push the button. Yeah, for the swing boom. Push it, hold the button down and turn it. Swing it right around, Logan. Right around, swing the house right around and then put your blade down and see if you can pick yourself up there. Put the blade down first on the back. Give her a little RPM. Okay, try your expandable tracks on your left-hand side there. It's out all the way? Must be, yeah. How do the hydraulics feel?
Good. Oh,
Yeah. I took another battery to my saw. Back her up, Logs. I'd have to try to get that over to the pile.
Carry it over.
Huh?
Works pretty good.
Yeah, and it's not broke in yet.
So cold.
It is cold. An unboxing there about the HT20 Pro. It finally landed in Nova Scotia, and we got it out of the crate. We're gonna get it back home, and we'll show you another video soon, just operating in the snowbanks and just getting used to the controls for now. And I'll go over some of the attachments that came with it and a few other details. So stay tuned for an upcoming video on the HT Hytop 20